Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default browser on your Google Pixel Android phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just drag up on your home screen, so just swipe it up, and then select the Settings gear button. Select the Apps button underneath Settings, should be the third option down. And then you want to select the default apps button that appears underneath general. So go ahead and select that. And then select the browser app at the top. So it doesn't maybe necessarily have to be Chrome right now, but it would say default browser app at the top. You would have to have more than one browser installed in order to switch them here. And then once you're done, that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.